Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you if you can split your screen on iPhone in iOS 17. Apple has not enabled split screen functionality on iPhone devices running iOS 17. This feature remains exclusive to iPads. No matter if you have an older iPhone or the latest iPhone or versions, you can't use two apps at the same time on your iPhone as you can on iPad. For example, if you swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen, you won't see a dock appear, which is essential for activating split screen mode on iPads. On an iPad, this dock allows you to drag and drop apps for multitasking. Unfortunately, this is not on iPhones. Additionally, if you try to long press on an app, drag it to the multitasking view, it will simply disappear without any effect. This action won't allow you to use two apps at once on your iPhone. So as it stands, there is no split screen feature on iOS 17 on iPhone users. This functionality is currently reserved for iPad users. Someday, Apple might consider doing this to make iPhones with a split screen capability. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.